Well, good morning. So here are the stocks that you should watch out for in the trading session today. Let's start off with Infosys. Now, the company held its AGM on over the weekend, and Salil Parekh, the CEO and MD, says that the company is well positioned to continue to gain market share and create value for the shareholders. They are focusing more on enterprise technology, and they see immense opportunity in the digital as well as the cloud space. Watch out for Zomato as well, after Zomato's board has given an approval to Blinkit's acquisition for 4,447 crores. Now, Zomato will be issuing 62.85 crore shares at 70.76 per share. After this deal, Blinkit is valued at $633 million, and this actually results in a dilution of around 6.9% for Zomato. On the back of this acquisition, CLSA has given its opinion on Zomato. It has maintained a buy rating on the stock with a target price of 85 per share. Credit Suisse, on the other hand, has maintained an outperform rating on the stock with a slightly higher target price of 90 per share. Bajaj Auto is in focus. Now, today the board will meet in order to consider the buyback proposal. They had actually deferred the buyback proposal in the board meeting that was held on June 15th. Ashoka Buildcon will also be in focus after it has won orders from the government of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana worth around $106 million. The construction period is 730 days from the commencement date. Watch out for Hindustan Copper as well. Now, the board meeting will be held on June 30th in order to consider a fundraise via QIP. The maximum fundraise via issue will be of around 9.7 crore equity shares, and at the current market price, it can raise around 828 crores. Avanti Feeds in focus after domestic soybean prices have fallen by around 20% year on year to 49 per kg. Now, the price correction is seen due to a decline in edible oil prices, and this is in fact positive for Avanti Feeds shrimp business. Bajaj Consumer Care in focus as well. The management has cited hair oil category has seen persistent decline in May 22 in volume as well as value. The management said that the urban GT channel has recovered well, coupled with good sales in the MT as well as e-commerce channels. Inflation woes are definitely adding pressure on margins. However, the management expects to invest in brand advertising, and on the back of this, Bajaj Consumer Care will be in focus. A slightly negative news flow coming in for Kajaria Cement, Kajaria Ceramics, Somani Ceramics as well as Gujarat Gas. Now, Morbi players will be shifting to LPG propane from natural gas mainly because of price arbitrage. Prices are expected to soften or remain static in the near term, as weakness in exports is leading to volume shifting to the domestic markets. Now, in the domestic market too, the industry is seeing softness in retail volumes. In Morbi, however, there is an increase in working capital due to pushing of inventory to 90 to 120 days from 75 days currently. Now, GHCL is in focus. It has inaugurated a new spinning unit at in Tamil Nadu. Now, the yarn installed capacity stands at 2,24,000 ring spindles. Now, the objective is to cater to premium segments in domestic as well as international markets, and the investment will be of around 200 crores, and on the back of this, GHCL is in focus. Watch out for Axis Bank as well. Now, the RBI has approved a reappointment of Rajiv Anand as Deputy Managing Director of the bank for a further period of 3 years. Watch out for power stocks such as Tata Power and GSW Energy after the government has decided to invite bids for power from 8,000 megawatt thermal capacities without PPAs. Dr. Reddy is in focus after it has announced acquisition of an injectable product portfolio from Eton Pharma for an amount up to $50 million. To pay, the company will be paying $5 million in cash upfront and a contingent payment of around $45 million. Welspun Corp in focus after it has secured various orders from India as well as USA across oil and gas and water sector amounting to around 600 crores. Watch out for Adani Enterprises as well. SBI and other PSU banks have committed around 6,000 crores to Adani Group for its copper business. Now, the copper arm has received financial closure for this. Watch out for gaming stocks such as Delta Corp as well as Nazara Tech. Now, sources say that 28% GST is likely on casinos, online gaming, horse races on gross revenue. Lastly, focus on Dish TV. Mr. Jawaharlal Goel has vacated office of the managing director of the company. However, he does continue to hold a position as a non-executive director. So these are the stocks that you should watch out for in the trading session today.